Let us join to our 10th standard mathematics class after the break. Shall we copy the next sum? In an AP, third term is 8. In an AP, third term is 8. Ninth term is 2 more than. Ninth term is 2 more than 3 times the third term. Ninth term is 2 more than 3 times the third term. Find the sum of first 10 terms. Shall we write what are given now? Third term is 8. A3 is equal to 8. Ninth term is A9 is equal to 2 more than, that means 2 you have to add to what? 3 times the third term. 3 into third term, 3A3. 3A3 plus 2. Understood how to write the relation now? A9 is equal to 3A3 plus 2. Now using AN formula, A3 will be written as A plus 2D. A plus 2D is equal to how much we have to write? 8. Now how to write A9? A plus 8D is equal to 3 into, in place of A3, A plus 2D. 3 into A plus 2D plus 2. When we multiply by 3 to A and 2D, we will get 3A plus 6D. Then again we have to add 2. A plus 8D is equal to 3A plus 6D plus 2. Everyone completed? When we simplify, 2A minus 2D is equal to minus 2. Shift 6 to left hand side, A to right hand side, then 3A minus A, 6D minus 8D, shift 2 to left hand side, correct, minus 2. Then throughout the equation 2 is the common term. We will divide by 2. We will get A minus D is equal to minus 1. A minus D is equal to minus 1. What is the first equation we got? A plus 2D is equal to 8. What is the second equation we got? A minus D is equal to minus 1. Write them together and subtract. A minus D is equal to minus 1, first line. Second line, A plus 2D is equal to 8. Subtraction, change the sign of all the terms. A gets cancels. 2D and and d will be 3d with negative sign. Minus 8 minus 1 minus 9. When you divide minus by minus, you will get plus. Therefore, d is equal to 3. Then let us substitute d is equal to 3 in a minus d is equal to minus 1. A minus of 3 is equal to minus 1. A minus 3 is equal to minus 1. A is equal to minus 1 plus 3. Therefore, A is equal to, how much we will get? 2. A is equal to 2. A is equal to 2. D is equal to 3. We have to substitute in S10 formula. S10 is equal to, n by 2 will be written as 10 by 2 into 2a plus 9d. All of you completed. A minus d is equal to minus 1. A plus 2d is equal to 8. Subtraction. Minus 3d is equal to minus 9. D is equal to 3. When we substitute d is equal to 3 in a minus d is equal to minus 1. A minus 3 is equal to minus 1. A is equal to minus 1 plus 3, that is nothing but 2. All of you completed now? Now let us write S10 formula. N by 2, in place of that one 10 by 2. 2 into A plus 10 minus 1 is 9, 9d. 10 by 2 into 2 into 2, A value 2, D value 3. Plus 9 into 3. 2 into 2 plus 9 into 3. 2 2s are 4. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 4, 31. 10 by 2, 5. 31 into 5. 2 2s are 4. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 4, 31. 10 by 2, 5 into 5. Therefore, 10th term is 155. This much is sufficient for today. Let us recall what we have studied in today's class. Turn the pages. Look at the first question. Third term is 16. Seventh term is 12. Seventh term is 12 more than fifth term. Write AP. A3 is 16. A7 is 12 more. 12 plus A5. In place of A3, we will write A plus 2D is equal to 16. That will be first equation. In place of A7, we will write A plus 6D. In place of A5, you will write A plus 4D plus 12. When you simplify, D is equal to 6. When you substitute in A plus 2D is equal to 16, we will get A is equal to 4. Therefore, AP is 4 plus 6, 10, plus 6, 16 and so on. 4, 10, 16 and so on. Next we solved one sum. Sum of 8 terms is 100. Sum of 19 terms is 551. Write AP. Sum of terms is denoted by S. Therefore, S8 is equal to 100. S19 is equal to 551. Recall Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In place of n, let us write 8. 8 by 2 into 2a plus 7d. Here 19 by 2 into 2a plus 18d. Here 2a plus 7d, here 2a plus 18d. Now let us substitute 100 in place of S8 and then take 2 to left hand side, it will become into. 100 into 2 is equal to multiplication inside the bracket 16a plus 56d. 200 is equal to 16a plus 56d. Throughout the equation, let us multiply by 8. 25 is equal to 2a plus 7d is our first equation. Here 551 into 2 is equal to 38a plus 342. 19 into 18 is 342d. 1102 is equal to 38a plus 342d. Divide by 19. We will get 58 is equal to 2a plus 18d as a second equation. Let us write both the equations together. 58 is equal to 2a plus 18d minus 25 is equal to 2a plus 7d. Change the sign of the second equation. We will get 33 is equal to 11d, d is equal to 3. When we substitute d value in 2a plus 7d is equal to 25, we will get 2a is equal to 4, a is equal to 2. Therefore, AP 2, 5, 8, so on. Then we solved one sum. Third term is 8, ninth term is 2 more than 3 times the third term. Find the sum of first 10 terms. A3 8, A9 is equal to 3, A3 plus 2. A plus 2d is equal to 8 will be first equation. A plus 8d is equal to 3 into a plus 2d plus 2. A plus 8d is equal to 3a plus 6d plus 2. A minus d is equal to minus 1. Writing them together, we will find the value of d is equal to 3, a is equal to 2. Then we have to substitute in S10 formula. We will get 10 by 2 into 2 into 2 plus 9 into 3, that is 31 into 5, 155. That much is sufficient for today. We will meet in tomorrow's class. We will solve some more sums. Practice daily. Work out the sums again and again. Bye.